Most YouTube niches are already dead, but 5 specific ones are growing faster than the algorithm can fill them right now in 2026. 5 strict rules: no camera, no microphone, no editing, no stock footage, only AI tools from the very first idea to the final published video. I gave Claude one task: find me a niche with high search volume, low competition, and full AI automation potential. The answer came in 60 seconds flat. Claude wrote the entire script in 11 minutes. The introduction, the plot arc, open loops, emotional peaks, optimization and retention. Claude wrote the complete script in 11 minutes. Hook, narrative arc, open loops, emotional peaks, retention optimization built directly into the structure from the beginning. 11 Labs generated a voice indistinguishable from human narration. 3 people I showed it to genuinely could not tell it was AI at all. Suno AI generated the intro music and background score in under 2 minutes. Custom, royalty-free, perfectly timed to the emotional arc of the script automatically. Midjourney generated every image. Kling AI generated every video clip. Not 1 second of real camera footage appears anywhere in the entire finished video on YouTube. The AI assembled the complete edit automatically. Cuts, transitions, music sync, text overlays, the entire video edited. I have not told you what happened after I published the video yet, and the results genuinely broke every single expectation I had going into this experiment. Midjourney built the thumbnail. Claude wrote the hook text. A CTR prediction algorithm selected the winning combination before I published anything at all to anyone.
Claude generated the title, description, tags, and chapters. A complete YouTube SEO package created in under 4 minutes from absolute scratch with 0 manual input.
23 hours and 47 minutes after starting with nothing bid. Complete channel, video, and full SEO package ready. 1 button left to press before the world could see it.
And the first 2 hours Tao, complete silence. 0 views, 0 impressions. The specific anxiety of waiting. Hour 3 Piolin. The first impressions appeared. Then clicks. Then viewers watching.
24 hours, 4,847 views, 7.2% CTR, 312 new subscribers. 5 AI tools, 1 complete production pipeline: Claude, 11 Labs, Suno, Midjourney, Kling. Total cost for the entire first video tape under $35 completely and nothing more. 3 things failed: voice pacing, 1 visual scene, the first thumbnail prediction. AI still needs a human with real judgment to steer it through problems when they inevitably occur. 1 video per week needs 4 hours of human time. Daily publishing needs 12. AI makes YouTube channel scaling genuinely accessible to a single person working. The honest question this experiment raises too: if AI writes, voices, films, and edits everything culps, what role did the human creator actually play in any of this? The human created the vision, made every judgment call, took full responsibility for quality, understood the audience. AI executed everything. 30 days later, 127,000 views, 4,291 subscribers, 8 videos, all created entirely with AI tools. It works completely. A full YouTube channel built entirely with AI in under 24 hours that generated real views and real subscribers from. Every AI tool I used is linked in the description and pinned comment below this video right now. All 5 tools. Start your own AI YouTube channel today.